Hi guys, good night. My name is Jefferson Paredes. If I present the following, I will take good notes. Come on. Activity. What will happen if? 1. If operating system English have a 20 bits version, people will install it on their or PCs, computer personnel. 2. If the Android operating system worked with 1 gigabytes of random access memory, I could run it on my own personal computer. 3. If operating system English were in the French, I will not use it. 4. If those were developed and let's advertise well, they would have millions more users. 5. I would not use Windows XP if Android had later versions. 6. If I had developed Android, I would have created a 20-bit version. 7. If I had been commissioned to publish Android, I would have used social network to make incognito. 8. The creators of operating system Android could have more success if they had done good marketing. 9. If Android's operating system had been distributed by physical means, more people would have had access to the operating system. 10. Would not recommend the Android operating system if it had not been so complete and stable. Goodbye, guys and teachers.